Yo, all right. Today is October 28th, 2024. It is a Monday. So what does that mean? That means slow the fuck down. Having 2 days not trading. Reviewing my charts. You know, um, I noticed that sometimes I get too excited. I get to the trade, and before I know it, I'm 15 trades deep and trying to figure out what the fuck just happened. Right. So the goal for today is to slow the heck down. All right. So I was 1 minute. Let me get that up. Hopefully that thing can figure out who I am. I was looking for a trading journal that I can visually see. Where I can just upload my PDF files and see how things work out. So last week I did blow the account again. I was so for a while just holding onto the account. Really, it wasn't really going up and down, up and down, up and down. But then something happened where it's just like, well, I just threw it all away, right? Something happened, I would just say internally, where I just either got greedy or just got like, I think it's because the account was about to reset. That's I'm just gonna go heavy with it. But I did do a lot of poor trading decisions where I ended up blowing the account, taking it past, the amount that I'm supposed to have, which is a $2,000 loss. Um, so it should be reset today. Today should be my reset day. I should be starting fresh. Um, if not, then tomorrow. Uh, let's see if my account reset. No, I don't see any reset on there. Let's go to because today is a billing day for my account. Whether it resets or not, I'm gonna reset myself, and I'm going to just go back to just focusing on just price and volume. More so volume than price, but price and volume, meaning that where price has moved due to volume. Really, what I'll be looking for, um, and then also having a wider scope of the market and keeping the charts as clean as possible. So that's something that I wanted to do for a very long time, but I just did not want to do it for some reason. I held on to the idea that looked like top step might be down. It's not loading. There it is. I was holding on to the idea that maybe these things can still work, but after reviewing, last week's thing, I think they made the more noise than anything. So there may be more of a noise to my charts than helping. So I got rid of them, and I told myself I'll just be focusing on just I would just focus on just the buying and selling volume of the chart. Um, yeah, so the count should be reset because I did blow this one. So it just did not go through apparently because the account is below. '24. Yeah, I think I blew it on Thursday. The count should be below because it's showing me that it's below on the trading platform. 1 minute. Let me double check. Remember I seen that 47. Yeah, we have 47,999. Okay, let me take a screenshot. That's where we're as of last week. Yeah. So screenshot and save that. Um, all right. So yeah, I did blow the account. So I'm gonna need a reset. Should be resetting. And today is a billing day. Yeah. So yeah, it should reset. Okay. It's just combine trading. Okay. So let it do its thing. I'm in no rush to jump into a trade, but I do want to just follow my stuff. So I found this trading um thing that allows me to upload my um my trades for my trades. It does give you a minimum amount, so I'll be rotating them in and out. But it's free for now. So this is one I will be using for a while. I like that it had showed me, where is it? I'm still learning the thing. Um, Journal, daily journal. That's the right end trade history, execution history. Maybe it's under P&L simulator. P&L simulator. Key metrics. Give me 1 minute as I right here. So the P&L on positive days, your total quantity traded was 16 shares contracts with 3 trades. On negative days, your total quantity traded was 98 shares contracts, 26 trades. You're over trading on losing days. So when I'm losing, I am losing big, like 10, 3, 7, 9. Right? This is the idea. Um, so, and that's usually how it is. So I'm working on just going back to how I was doing 2 to 3 trades max. One good trade, walk away, 2 to 3 trades max. I do good when I'm trading like that. I've seen my equity curve move up. And then once I just stuff are just not working out, or I'm not set up or not there, I start to just take BS trades and not focusing on the goal, not focusing on the plan. So I plan on just keeping it as simple as vanilla as possible. So let's get into the charts. So as you can see, the charts, they're white and gray now, reducing the colors down to the bottom part. What I'm going to do, I didn't do it here yet, so I'm going to do it now. So these are the things I said I was going to get rid of, is these here. Though I like them and they show potential, but that's probably just like where price may change or not. But I'm getting rid of them because I want to just focus on just yeah, I thought we were gonna double bounce. We did. I say we're probably gonna double bounce right here, and we sure are. So I'm just gonna focus on where price bought and where price sold. The empty spots, they will be important, but I'm more focused on where there was strong aggressive buying but failed, or strong aggressive buying that stops the selling, or strong aggressive selling that stopped the buying, and strong aggressive selling that failed and buyer stepped in. Like here, like here, like let's see here, sell, 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 and then buyer stepped in. Right. So these are what I'm going to be looking for. So still using the same idea of price and volume. I'm still gonna use the Heiken Nazis where I can't figure out how to place the level. Um, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, we are bouncing. I thought when I saw this, I said, okay, I see the sell, I see we're ramping up, but price did not fully go through and we reclaimed. All right. So I thought we were going to bounce, and we did. I didn't mark that one down there. Whoa, freak! I messed that up. 1 minute, guys. I don't need that. Okay. I was trying to make this. There we go. All right. So this level came from all of this buying that was appearing right here. And I didn't know where to mark it yet. So I kind of like used the Heikenaishi, I believe, on this to get a sense of how to mark it. I should have went a little lower. Yep. Should have went down to here, respected the Heikenaishi fully, and keep it here like that. All right. Because this is the this is the 18. This is where I believe the buying started. And let me set up this here because I don't want to see any red and green. These are always going to be white and gray. Make sure I save the chart. I haven't done anything major to them. Go. So now I switch over. I just want it to be a simple um, mindset change, nothing too major. So yeah. So if we go to that area, I probably could have started it down here. This is that do have a gap. So price came down, try to buy, got bought up, try to sell, and then here it is again. All right, bought up, price tried to go lower, got bought up, low, got bought up, low, low, getting bought up, right? So kind of just really just holding this. If price breaks below that, I like to see some strong selling and a pullback. And then continue down, fill up this gap, fill this gap, we'll close that and fill that gap down there. You know. But right now, price is in an uptrend, but inside of Friday's structure. All right. So this is my 5 minute here. This is the larger range view of it. Let me make this a 10-day thing. So I guess it's still as far as I can zoom out. It's just a larger view of it so that way I can see. Same thing here, a large view of where I'm at, looking for where buying and selling was. That way I'm not wasting my time with just the close-upness. And then my close-up can be here, saying, okay, if I'm here, where am I on the charts? Right, so apparently I didn't do this here, but we probably do have something here that's holding price. So let me do that with NQ. I'm not gonna leave you. Actually, let's do this with NQ. Probably also need to change the Heikenaishi. No, that one is set. Let me save the chart before I forget. This is red. That's red. All right. These are the only two that will change when I flip over. All right. So let's save the chart as trading station, trade station. And then on my other monitor, I have just the large screen of the 30-minute and the 5 minute and the 1 minute. And I can just flip between those to see what's going on. So this is what we're working with here. Let's turn on the Heikenaishi. All right, so we got this. Is probably what we should see with volume. That we should see with volume. So if I go here, I should see a plethora of green saying that buyers are interested. And then every time we get a dip and break of a channel, we can move up like that. All right. So buyers are interested here. So I like this. I definitely like this here, the scope. So definitely, if we break below that, I would like to see some red, and then a pullback, and then retest down there. That's basically how my back testing was doing over the weekend, and I really like the fact that I can see these ideas and implement them a little better. Um, so, all right. And I can, zoom out and zoom in if I need to with this. I can see where volume's coming in. If I can't read it up here, this is the 5 minute. That's as far as we're getting with this. Okay. All right, this one feels wider. This one feels like it doesn't even want to be big. Sheesh. Crazy, right? Uh, okay. Anyways, that's that. So, and then I can see this close up of the um, 5 minute candle if I'm not paying attention. I can see what it's doing, what it looks like, and get a good view of where we are. This is the NQ, this is ES, and then the levels are also there, breaking out. So that way, yeah, don't miss out. I'll also name this buying cluster. Okay, cool. Nice double bottom, bounce, pull up, retest. Nice move. Nice 6 point move. I really like the fact that we broke out this. We never broke down below, so it gave potential to bounce. Very good potential to bounce. All right, so trying to think here. I think I'm pretty set. I don't think I really have to change anything. I think I did all that I really could the previous night and really set this up already. We are already moving. This 8:30 move is a good one. Like I said, um, let's do VIX. I don't have VIX at all on my charts. I may keep VIX like on a higher on one of my other monitors. Just keep an eye on it. So let's do VIX. Um, let's take an idea from Dylan shared something. Check the timestamp for each of the VIX failures up at 19.8. Match those times up with ES price action coincided with the past 3 sessions. Lows, no coincidence. So give me VIX. I can see what you're talking about. All right, there goes VIX. Using the 15-minute chart. All right, using the 30, so I should still be able to see them. Look like they're right here. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so look like we're using that's the tops here. Which already have this area marked, and then using the top of this one, which is the high, I'm also going to mark this high here. Actually, I can get rid of that high. Let's make this just that, no name. This, make this that. This is just an area of interest. I'm gonna cloud it up like this. So we set that with yes, or ES bounce. So let's look at ES. And let's see, we got boom here, boom there, and around here. So yeah, so kind of like in a nice little uptrend. ES, but a straight line with NQ. Um, so what does that tell us? I guess just keep an eye on that 19. So I'm gonna put an alert around here. All right, and got a nice low down here. Get rid of that. This low here is coincided with that low. Get rid of this. And then I guess with NQ, yeah, that would be important because that's where we have strong sell off. We have selling paused here and got bought up. So we'll mark this area here as important. We did bounce up a bit on Monday, moving up. Can't have both ES and NQ moving up. So that's why I can't focus too much on NQ. On Q VIX. You have both ES and VIX moving up. Look like we're dropping here. Look like we are respecting that. Ooh, that's something interesting to think about. Let's see what VIX looks like on that 1 minute time time frame. That's what I want to see now. Does VIX provide us with the cluster? I did not look at VIX during that time. What in the fuck? Okay. Oh, okay. Boy, definitely have selling. I got bought up. Need more days. Buying and fell, buying and fell, buying and fell. Selling, pullback, held, drop. Drop. Bounce. Pushed up. Again, dropped like crazy. Gap down on this Sunday. Yeah. All right. So I don't like any of this. All right. That's that. So this is basically the morning um, setup. I don't have anything else to add. Yeah, I don't have anything else to add. So yeah, so we're in an uptrend. I like to see price reject up here. Um, zoom out so I can see. Can't really see what the heck is going on with NQ. That's why we have the bigger screen. So let's go to NQ. Should be one. Oh crap! It should be none. 1 minute. It should be pinned. I'll fix that in a bit. Um, looks like I don't have anything above this at all. Are those the highs? Oh, I didn't do my weeklies. That's what I didn't do. I'm glad I'm still doing that. All right, let's zoom out. Whoa. Are we doing all-time highs? Max. Yeah, we are all-time highs. We're getting to all-time highs with NQ. Highs right here. I don't have anything above that. This. Let's go back one more time. Make this a little thicker. Boom. All right, let's do the weekly. That I did not do. I typically do that. Make it a 3. You're supposed to show your name. Like last week's Friday high is last week's high. Go to the daily. So that I did not do. So yeah, I definitely like to see price reject right up here. Definitely gonna be looking at that five, this 1 minute thingy, and see how price reacts. So the buy cluster ended up getting bought up very nicely. Very nicely. So wish I was in that trade, but I didn't have a plan. I just saw it happening. Am I missing anything? No, we're still trying to sell, but price is being very strong. That was a strong sell, and I think that's what my clusters were with that. So let's put you back how you were. Let's do. Wow, look at that reversal. Oh, already 10 points. Oh yeah, my account didn't reset. Can't do nothing about that, but we're still learning. All right, so let's put our highs and our lows. Boom. Okay. Some days I just want to say, screw this, I quit, but then I just keep coming back. Like, what else am I gonna do? Um, what else am I going to do? No, I don't see myself having to forcefully work someone out for someone. I've never had that in me. I love working and helping people, but not being forced to work. I gotta figure this out. So yeah. Okay. Let's I think I am done. Got alerts set. Got my chart wide enough to see. Man, that buying is beautiful right now. Um, this is my gap area. I went over news, went over this little thingy here, still learning it. Uh, right now it's a hot mess, not gonna lie. I did do my settlement prices the night before, so I can close this out. Oh, also we have some very anticipated releases. AMD and Google Alphabet, very major on Tuesday, major on Wednesday, major on Thursday. We have Microsoft and Meta, Coinbase and Robinhood also. We have Amazon and Apple and Intel. We don't have Nvidia, but AMD and Intel will be some telltale signs of how Nvidia might work and other tech stocks, because these are also tech stocks. All of these, Meta, Microsoft also. Um, Alphabet, I believe, but AMD are the ones that more the intelligent things here. Apple for sure, Google for sure. Oh shit, Microsoft for sure. Yeah. So yeah, Meta also. Yeah, all of these are going to be very major things. Amazon, because people buy and sell, and Amazon also does some kind of like stuff that's important. But definitely also does tech. So these are going to be major. And then Friday we have NFP, non-farm payroll employment situation, where is a major news day. We have something on Jolts. Let's do the week. All right. So we have this here is gonna be major. This is definitely gonna should be moving the market. And then next week we have presidential elections, which will be freaking insane. Right here on Tuesday, Tuesday 5th, the 5th Tuesday. And then we have daylight saving time. So time's gonna change again. So it's a lot going on this week and into next week. We do have some news starting on Tuesday at 10, one at 8:30. This was not too major, but this one might be. Sorry, 8:15 not too major. 8:30 might be major. 8:30 this is gonna be major. So a lot of major news. So, but today should be more of a trade the market, trade what you see kind of thing. Whew, look at that. That was beautiful. Boom. Come back, retested this area here. I wonder what that looked like. Buy on the red. Buy on the retest. Stop loss down here. We're already at 4-1. 64, 3 points. Run that bad boy up, pull back, stop loss here if we need to. Boom. Already 11 points in. This here is about 2 points. Enter 1 micro to about 5 micros, two minis. Trading, risking about what 50, 300 points. 300 times 2 is 6 times 4 is $1,200. Just let that thing run. Do we have any red selling here? That might be something of importance. Let's go to the 1 minute. Can you find a 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute? Boom. Yeah, so this is something of importance, but we did retest it already. And all of this buying look like it really wants to, like, I'm not stopping for you, right? It's not a dead buy, it's a continuation buy. Boom. Right? So, let price do its thing. Boom. Um, these were supposed to be continuation buying, but there's no selling up here to stop it. So price was like, okay, buy, buy, buy. There's nothing here. All right. So same thing with that one. So now I think we're on a move. That's what I'm speculating. All right, we had some strong sell, nice retest, back into it, and then price said, no, I'm going to reverse. Buy, 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 boom, buy, 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 push, right? So if we push up, we'll come back down. I'd look to get to buying somewhere around here. All right, if we can go push up and come back with low volume, I'll come to buy somewhere around here. Not down here so much, because down here is already done. Unless we just continue, but I need to see something that tells me to enter. NQ should have something similar. All right, NQ held the highs. LQs didn't go too low, and then we bounced. Could have had a line chart here, enter way down here. The trend break into here, but be a more aggressive trade would be here. This double bottom, boom, boom, here, right? And then yeah, and I can see what's happening on the charts. This needs to be 30-minute. All right. So if I was trading in Q, you know, price came back down here. In Q, yeah. Price came back down right here. Probably could enter on this 5 minute. Like that. You know. Can't enter right where it's at because then it might just take me out, but like that. So NQ gives us about a 25-point risk, 50-point gain. It's not that bad. Look like we're topping out. So let's see, if price can hold these areas, but I would like to see price move higher. For this one, especially ES, price move higher and then retest. So right now we're just waiting. So I am done for my pre-market stuff. Everything is done. Everything's set up. 33 minutes. See you guys in the evening.